Hello, this is another recording by T. Chase on March 19, 2017. This is another video on the King James Version English Bible Code, where I look at different subjects by using search words with a Bible code program, searching in the King James Version Bible in English, to see if the words I find will shed some light on the subject. This video is on DNA and genetics, and on what are called telomeres. Telomeres are at the end of chromosomes. Man has 46 chromosomes. And the telomere is a DNA sequence which reads TTAGGG, which is found at the end of man's chromosomes and also chromosomes of all animals. And what these do is they keep the chromosomes from duplicating too much. Each time a chromosome duplicates, a part of this sequence is knocked off the chromosome, or the telomere, and that will set only a certain number of duplications of the chromosome can occur. Now, these telomeres in this DNA sequence, TTAGGG, has been related to longevity and aging. So, it's an important sequence found in DNA of all animals, and therefore I wanted to try a Bible code search on it to see what we find. Is there some clues in the King James Bible on this? And in the first Bible code matrix I have was found at Luke 24:32 to John 1:8 in the New Testament. And what you do is you look at other words in what is called the Bible code matrix to see if these add meaning. So the search words were TTAGGG, the telomere sequence, and also the word aging, AGING, and some other words of interest found in this matrix which give it some meaning. Spirit, and these are the words, and also the phrase, and he lifted up his hands and blessed them, and also the phrase which is at John 1:4, the life was the light of men. So these are some interesting phrases found in this Bible code matrix. You may see other phrases and words in it, but certainly these are of interest for this search. So I said, look at these other words and phrases, and they give it meaning. Now, the second matrix this matrix also has some interesting words in it. It's at John 1:4 to Revelation 11:7, and it also includes that John 1:4 phrase, the life was the light of men. Other words of interest in this matrix: spirit, how can this man give us his flesh? Wonders may be done. And before his coming, and that it might be might be grace, and Christ for spirit, and God and apostles of Jesus Christ and man. You may see other interesting words and phrases in it. By studying these matrices. Now the third, look now at the third matrix. And this matrix is at Luke 15:7. Again, it's New Testament. Luke 15:17 to John 1:51. And words of interest in this matrix. And with a loud voice, glorified God, and into the kingdom of God. And was it from heaven or men or of men? And all the living, seeing it's related to life on earth, and also the Son of Man, the Word was God of the world, and God ascending and descending, and of course also you will see the search words in all three of these matrices, aging and TTAGGG. So the search words find the matrix, but then when you look at these other words in the matrix, it can give it meaning. You may see other words in these matrices, but again, this is on the subject of DNA and genetics. Let's see my website and other videos for more on the King James Version Bible Code.